Hello everyone, welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Friday, October the 23rd. Well, another negative day today. We have a red-bodied candle and a fairly large red body, and that's telling us that the sellers have made some solid net bearish progress on the day. The market has opened up near the high and closed down towards the low, and that's telling us that the bears have closed in control of the market, and they're showing some fairly strong commitment to taking this, or they showed very strong commitment to taking this market lower throughout the day, throughout the trading day. Now, yesterday we highlighted the strong resistance up here above this area of congestion that we've been in for the last week and a half or so. And we highlighted that the swing high here at around 1100, which is pretty much a round number for this market, and it extended up to 1106, that was an important area for the market to break out above with a solid bullish close if there was going to be any further price appreciation. The market will need to close substantially with the bulls in control and showing strong commitment for the market to trade up to 1133 and then possibly beyond there. The market did create a new first time frame uptrend today with a higher high and a higher low, even though it was a negative day with the bears in control. But the market was able to just take out the previous high and trade up above the previous low. So small consolation, but the market is in a first time frame uptrend now. If we see any bullishness coming into the market from here, then the market may be setting up for an assault on this 1100, 1106 level. But we need to see that bullishness coming in first before we even consider going long in the short term time frame with this market. Looking at the Kijun-sen has turned flat, and we know that when the Kijun-sen turns flat, it tends to be an attractor of price action, and that's actually what's happened here over the last few days. The market action has been attracted back towards the Kijun-sen, but we still haven't been strong enough, the bears haven't been strong enough to give us a solid bearish close down below this 1080 level, which we identified previously as an area of resistance, and now it's acting as an area of support. We have very small shadows on the bottom of these candles, which highlights the upside price rejection when the market tried to trade down below there. The market has closed just down below there at 1079.6. I wouldn't call that a substantial close below there, so the market would need to be a bit more bearish with a bit much more bearish close down below there for any decent retracement of this previous first and second time frame upswing that the market's in. But then we need to keep an eye on that level for a bearish close for the market to be attracted back down towards the Kijun-sen again, which is at 1060. Just looking at the Ichimoku cloud, we are trading up above the cloud, which means that the market still has an overall positive bias, and we've been trading up above that cloud for quite some time. The market is trading up above the Kijun-sen, which means that in the medium-term time frame on the daily charts, the market is bullish as well. The market now is closing down below the Tenkan-sen, and it's oscillating above and below the Tenkan-sen, which is the indicator of the shorter time frame trending action, and that's pointing sideways as well, which means that the market really doesn't have much momentum, and we're oscillating above and below that Tenkan-sen, which isn't neither bullish nor bearish. So what we want to see is either some decisive price action enter into the market here for a potential assault on this 1106 area and 1133. If the market does trade down, we have that support area that we highlighted, support at the 1041 level, and then the cloud will come into play, the Kumo will come into play as a very strong area of support all the way through here, and we have some major swing lows all the way down through the cloud, so very strong support on the way down. Resistance is weaker on the way up, so still, once again, even though the short-term dynamics were negative today, keep an eye on the high of the current candle and the resistance area. Keep an eye on the low of the current candle for any sell-off to develop.